So my HelloFresh box got delivered today and I'm so excited about the meals I got in it because one has one of our favorite recipes, the firecracker meatballs, barbecue pineapple flatbreads, I think we're gonna make this tonight, and then a bavette steak and sherry shallot sauce with Parmesan potato clusters and roasted green beans. I don't think I've ever cooked a steak. So this will be a fun experiment and good to learn. And I save time by not having to go to the grocery store and going through the aisles and going down my list and figuring out what ingredients I need to make these new meals. It's all delivered right to my door. I'm ready to start cooking and it's a fun experience too. We put on some music, me and my roommate will cook our meal together and it's a really fun time.